Multifunction pet hairdryer, an intelligent partner with gentle wind and low noise. Ordinary hairdryers scare off your pets. Liberate your hands with it. Intelligent control panel by waving your hands. Free control of the temperature from 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. A large area of piercing can make you keep eye contact with your pet at any time. 360-degree anion, flowing hair, faster drying, omnibearing gentle wind, low noise. UV sterilization and disinfection, comprehensive deodorization with ozone, 99% deodorization rate, high capacity design, comfortable and uncrowded. A door lock with safe buckles. Detachable chassis, easy to clean. Pet hairdryer, a